If you want to do Dogecoin mining, first you need to be on this website called unmineable.com/miner. After coming here, just download the file which is having miner files included in it. And secondly, open the website called dogecoin.com and open the wallet section. And in this wallet section, here you can see several options on the right side. These are the different variations of this software. Just install the variation that you require. For me, it is Windows 64-bit. I just downloaded this. Here you can see the both files that I have downloaded. One thing which you need to keep in your mind is while extracting this file, sometimes your antivirus is gonna prompt as it is virus. So don't worry, it's safe. I just extracted this file. Here you can see the extracted file. I'm trying to install it. And the other software is this which we downloaded from the dogecoin.com. Just install this software as well. Click on yes, next, install. It's that simple. And in unmineable software, just click on continue and select GPU if you have graphic card. In my laptop I don't have graphic card. I'm not a gamer, so I'm not using it. I just need CPU, so that's enough. I just selected CPU option and click on next. And here you need to select Dogecoin option. Since I already installed this software, by default it is showing Dogecoin. And here you don't know what is your address. You are going to get your address in this software. Just finish the installation of this software and let it open. After opening Dogecoin core software, just click on the hide and click on file and go for much receiving addresses and click on that. Here you are going to get your address, so just Ctrl C, it means copy, and after that come over here and paste your address and click on start. And now you can close this software which you have installed from dogecoin.com. So here you can see your mining is started. After some time it's gonna show you how much you can earn through this mining process. Here you can see the hash rate. And now click on the settings button which is down there and choose intensity level as high and click on save and restart. This is gonna make your mining process faster. And after that, just open anycoindirect.eu website and kraken.com. So these are the websites which we are going to use to sell our Dogecoin which we mine on our laptops. And after that, in the upcoming videos, I'm going to upload about how to mine Dogecoin in your Android phone. As I said you before, I'm going to make another separate video based on how to sell your Dogecoin on these websites. So more interesting and exciting videos are going to come into my channel. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel and you're watching Geeksplo channel.